How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some air fryer chicken in my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. And I'll be using this Mississippi style seasoned shrimp fried batter. Yes, on my chicken. And this is by the Fresh Fish House company. And you can find them at freshfishhouse.com. And this is packaged up by the same people who package up the chicken crack. Okay? So let's get started. You plug in this air fryer. Make sure nothing is in here. I'm going to preheat it. I've already washed and cut my chicken wings into 2 pieces. I left the wing tip on. And I pat them dry with a paper towel. Get them as dry as possible. And this company suggests that you use batter mix and water. Make up a mixture and then dip your shrimp or whatever you're going to batter. You dip the meat or vegetable or whatever in this mixture, and then they say deep fry it. Well, I'm going to air fry mine. I'm not making a wet batter. So I try to get them as dry as possible for good air fried wings. Okay, I'm putting in some yellow mustard. Regular yellow mustard. And that's going to wet it some. That's enough. I'm not going to use any other seasoning. I want to get the full taste of this batter mix. And I can't eat shrimp. I'm allergic to shrimp. I used to eat them and they're so good. And then one time it put me in the hospital. I swole up, my skin turned gray. So I don't mess with shrimp. So I'm just going to smush it all around to evenly coat the chicken. And what the mustard does is add another layer of flavor, tenderizes, gives it a nice golden color. And I don't know what else. But whatever you put it on will not taste like mustard. Unless you put it on a hot dog. I love mustard, by the way. Some of the people I cook for, they don't like mustard. And they don't even know the mustard is in here. Because you can't taste the mustard flavor. Okay. Nicely coated. Let's see, I think it's vinegar in this mustard. Yeah, vinegar and turmeric. So turmeric is what makes it have a golden color. Okay, this is what it looks like once again. Mississippi style seasoned shrimp fried batter by Fresh Fish House. And they have a website. So you go to www.freshfishhouse.com. And this was sent to me by chicken crack lady. So I'm going to give y'all my first hand impression of what this tastes like. My first time using it. Okay. Let's cut the chicken like this. Chicken today. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just fix half of it. breader shaker bowl that I put the batter in, the breading in. So lock this lid on here tight and just shake it. I'll leave a link for this in the description box. Braid it nicely. Okay. Why is this up so high? Brother. Checking off the excess breading. I'm putting this flat side up because I don't plan on flipping these wings. I have to check them and see if I have to or not. Okay. I'm going to spray the wings with some olive oil. I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. This is basically 3 wings, 6 pieces. Oh, let me cut this off. Turn it on. I'm setting it for the chicken setting. That's 380 degrees for 25 minutes. And that's usually right on point. So, I will be back. I'm going to check it before the 25 minutes is up. I don't take no chances with my chicken. Okay, my chicken is about to cut off. I didn't flip my wings. On the 1 minute. I'm ready for it right now. Got a piece of bread in my bowl. That's all I'm eating. These 3 little wings. Okay, I'm ready. Come on this time. That's what it looks like. Okay, remove this. Oh, I want to show y'all this this rolling tray I have to move my air fryer back and forth. So I'll leave a link for it also. I like to pull it out from the wall so that hot air is not blowing up against my paint. So shut this off. It's ready. Unplug it. No, I'll leave the cord where it is. Okay. What about this big old giant wingette? This is huge. Pretty color. I didn't flip it. This one's stuck a little. That's how the outside looks. This is my shrimp fried chicken. I said that woman done lost her mind. This one's stuck a little. It's the color of shrimp. Hope it tastes good. Very little cleanup. There's a lot of oil down in the bottom. I'll get to that later. Certainly looks pretty. Look at that. Look at that color. Pretty golden brown. I'm gonna wait for it to cool before I try to bite it. It's nice and crispy, even though I didn't fix it like the instructions told me to. They want you to make a wet batter with water and their breading. Put your meat in there. In this case, it's supposed to be shrimp because this is a shrimp mix. But I can't have no shrimp. I want to draw y'all's attention to my Just Winging It t-shirt. I'll leave a link for it. Of course, I cut it up to give it a little sass and pizzazz. Okay. That's the same color as the wing on my shirt. Look at that. Still too hot to bite. Well, I'm going to close this now, then I'll show y'all. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Leave me a nice comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. So, check this out again. Look at them wings, y'all. It's hot, hot, super hot. I'm going to see how breaded, how seasoned that breading is. Now I didn't put no other seasoning on my wings. I want to get the full effect of fresh fish house shrimp fry batter. What is it, Mississippi? Mississippi style. So I don't know what makes it Mississippi style. And they're stationed in Detroit, Michigan. So, I don't know. This is hot. I will be back once it cools a little. I want to tear into this. I'm starving. Okay. Taste a little piece. It's crispy, nice and golden brown. I didn't flip it. This was the top side, this is the bottom side. Trying to get the skin. Still hot. This is some good shrimp fry batter, y'all, on a chicken wing. Nicely seasoned. It's not too salty. Some of these breadings are real salty. You have to tone it down with extra flour. This is not too salty at all. I can't describe how good it is. It's just good. It's very good. I don't know what it costs, because it was sent to me by the chicken crack lady. But it's good. It's good. Like I said, it's not too salty. It's not spicy at all. I mean hot spicy. It's not hot at all. But it doesn't claim to be. And most shrimp batters, they're not spicy. I'm going to eat my wingtip. This reminds me of Hooters breading. This is just some good chicken. That's all I can say about it. You can't go wrong by trying this batter. So, I want to thank you for watching. Oh, I said that already. Okay, well, I'm gone for real now. Bye.